Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day. I'm Nadine Garnica, 37 years old. I'm a single mother. I have one daughter.
Okay, so
I'm my high school graduate.
okay, so have you ever experienced working as a domestic helper before?
Yes, ma'am. In Singapore, I taking care of bedridden. He's 69 years old. I prepared his food and sometimes he's I do
Aside from taking care the bedridden person, what is your other duties?
wash clothes and sometimes I cook his food.
Okay, so but most of the time,
His wife.
okay, so you mean sometimes you are the one who prepare his food,
Yes, ma'am.
cook his food, but most of the time his
And
wife.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how about since you have experience working abroad, how can you handle the homesickness situation?
So I keep myself busy and I do my keep cleaning the house.
Okay, so what is your main reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
To earning more money to my family and also my
Okay, so you mean to support your child for her financial needs, for her studies. Okay, so finally, can you give the message to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am. I'm Nadine. If you choose me as your helper, I promise you that I do my best for you and I promise to obey your command, your rules and regulations, and love also your children because I have also a daughter.
Okay, so can you promise also to finish your 2 years
Yes,
contract?
ma'am. I promise also to finish my contract.
Okay, so hopefully that you will be hired in Hong Kong very soon. Before we end this interview, kindly show your very
Yes,
best
ma'am.
smile.